So in Starships, the core mechanic is movement, and in order to achieve this we have two things on the board. We have your pretty little spaceship model, and we have an inertia marker. The inertia marker is where your ship is going to go if you do absolutely nothing. If you choose to maneuver around this marker, you have a thrust rating, and it dictates how far around this marker you can go. In this case, the clangful has a thrust rating of 4, so it's got a circle 4 inches around the inertia marker that it can move into. Now, you'll notice this over here is Neptune, and the clangful is driving right for Neptune, which is a bad thing. So it's going to make a right-hand turn. So 4 inches here is a pretty good size space. So it's going to make that right turn. So 4 inches from the inertia marker, we place a nav marker instead of just moving the ship. And you'll see in just a moment why. Because the next thing we do is you measure the distance from the clangful to the nav marker, which is 6 inches, and then in the same line, from the clangful to the nav marker, 6 inches away, you put another nav marker. This nav marker is going to be where you're going to move your inertia to. So now you've placed the two nav markers, and you can pick up your ship, and notice the nice little engines there, and place the ship so that the butt and the engines are facing towards the inertia marker, because you got to use the big ends of the ship to maneuver this quickly. And then you pick up your inertia marker and you put it where the other token is, and now you've completed your move. And you notice that the clangful is now facing perpendicular to its line of movement, and the inertia marker is in front of it where it's going to go. Now, if you do not choose to do anything, there's a special move called a coast. And so for a coast, what you do is you end up doing the same sort of measurement, only you end up only putting one nav marker out there. And then you can pick up your ship for this coast move, place it on your old inertia marker, and give it any facing you want, because it's coasting along, and you can use your dinky little maneuver jets to face any way you want. And then you pick up the inertia marker and put it over here where the nav token was. So that's the basics of movement.